Hello everyone, today I'd like to share with you a story of learning and growth I experienced while writing about the solution to Volkswagen's Dieselgate problem. This is not only a writing task but also a profound professional experience. When I started writing this report, I encountered three main challenges: how to properly apply these SMART principles, the priority matrix, and the logical tree condensation problem. First, let me turn to the application of the SMART principle, which stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This principle requires that goals setting must be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. To address VW's slowing sales growth, I have set a clear target of increasing sales by 5% over the next 6 months. With such quantitative metrics, I can better assess its progress and adjust strategies in time. To address these challenges, I set out on 3 fronts. First, stated that the goal was to increase VW's sales of gasoline cars in the US market, and then I set specific quantitative metrics such as a 5% increase in sales. Progress can be tracked through monthly sales reports. I divide the issue into technological innovation and brand image issues, which are both urgent and important. By analyzing the allocation of resources, I decided to prioritize these issues while focusing on high market competitive pressures as part of long-term planning. Finally, I start with declining customer trust and break it down into sub-issues such as emissions, scandals, and product quality. After further refinement, solutions to strengthen audit and technology research and development are purposed to reflect logic and pertinence. After writing this research, I learned to use SMART principles to get goals, such as increase sales to increase dealer sales by 5% in 6 months. In addition, the priority matrix taught me how to allocate my energy efficiently. The use of logical trees also improved my problem-solving skills and taught me to focus on hidden systemic factors. In the future, I will apply this method to my daily work, from increasing productivity to reduce inefficiency meeting time by 10% per month, so that each step is clearly measurable in future projects. I will pay more attention to the balance between short-term tasks and long-term goals, rather than being occupied by urgent but unimportant tasks. When facing complex challenges in the future, I will not only look for direct causes, but also extend to multiple dimensions, such as the product experience, service process, and market positioning to formulate comprehensive improvement plans. When it comes to how the submitted elements meet the learning outcomes, I can say that I mostly meet them. I construct the problem and propose a solution by identifying 4 core problems. and using the smart goals framework. Component logic tree and deductive logic tree. Drawing on multiple academic and industry sources, I critically assess BW's under advancement in R&D and inadequate talent pool, while suggesting strategies such as the adoption of balanced scorecard tools. By collecting secondary sources, I have shown strong sensitivity in selecting relevant evidence. I followed a logical structure, clear executive summary, problem definition, problem structure, solution path, and conclusion. Appropriate use of textual citations and references, which enhanced the reading experience of the article. Through multiple data analysis, the accuracy of data processing is improved, and the depth and value of the research and enhanced through extensive research and integration of self-directed learning courses from different sources. I independently identified key problems and proposed actionable solutions. It can be said that this article has greatly improved my critical thinking and problem-solving ability, research methods and data integration ability, and self-reflection management ability. For example, I learned how to look at problems from multiple perspectives, how to integrate data, and how to reflect on my shortcomings in rating. I find that I still have some defects. The current modules mainly focus on business and management theories and lack the integration of knowledge in other related fields, which may limit my ability to deal with complex problems in practical work. I have relatively little support at the practical level. In addition, my management and leadership development was weak. Therefore, I made 3 plans on my own. I will attend expansion leadership training courses or seminars to learn how to communicate effectively, motivate team members, and resolve conflicts. I will actively participate in internship programs, entrepreneurial activities, or volunteer organizations. Actively explore information, technology, and psychology related to enterprise management, expand vision, and improve comprehensive analysis abilities through online courses and local reading. All in all, the experience of writing about solutions to BW's problems has been very rewarding. I hope that by sharing my learning experience, I can report you with some inspiration. Thank you.